everyone, I welcome you to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you just a little tip about how you can take your hygiene a little bit further in reference to your nails. Right now I don't put nail polish on my nails because I'm trying to maintain my hygiene in this coronavirus situation, pandemic situation all around the world. So I'm maintaining a very clean, low cut nails throughout. In order for you to be able to do this, we all know that lemon juice can help with everything from cleansing and hydrating to removing blackheads and removing unnecessary dirt and bacteria from your fingers. Okay, so in doing so, I'm going to show you how to brighten your nails and maintain a very beautiful nails throughout this period. And knowingly I'm not going to be using nail polishes either, so I'm making my nail natural throughout. So in doing so, I'm going to combine a few. I'm going to just be using half of my lemon. As a matter of fact, I can use this one. So I'm going to be using half of this lemon. I will squeeze it into my little bowl. Of course, I need a spoon also to mix everything together, and I will be mixing it along with an extra virgin olive oil. I'm only using half a teaspoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon each, half a teaspoon of my lemon juice and half a teaspoon of olive oil. Okay, so mix everything together to create a mixture that will condition and make nails appear brighter. The acid from the lemon helps clear up any buildup of bacteria on the nails or inside your nails, leaving them whiter, and the olive oil will hydrate your nails. Okay, so let me go ahead, without further ado, let me go ahead and put everything together. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to use a little bit of my lemon. This lemon is kind of hard. I should have put it in the microwave. I usually put my lemons in the microwave so that it can soften up. Okay, so I'm going to use half a teaspoon. Actually, yes, I'm going to use half a teaspoon because I don't need that much. I'm only making enough for, actually, I'll do a teaspoon actually. So that's half times 2. So I'm going to do 1 teaspoon. That's 1 teaspoon right there. 1/2 of a teaspoon right there. So I'm going to put a little bit of this. That's 1 of my olive oil. Put another half. So that's that's half teaspoon of olive oil and half teaspoon of my lemon. This is very straightforward. So I'm going to put a little bit more of my lemon into it. Okay, so I'm going to just use my spoon right here to mix everything together. Look at the color right there. And you can also use this on your face if you want. So it's a very simple solution. See how beautiful it is? I love the color too. Look at the color. Okay, so now you just put this. Let me go ahead and take a picture of it before I continue. So let me take a picture for reference. Oof. This will actually clean your nail and also help you maintain a very beautiful nail. So this is looking great. Grata. Put my olive oil right next to it. So I hope it's brightened. Anyway, let me continue. So what I'll do is I'll just use my lemon to apply it, or you can just use your spoon right here to apply it to your nail. Make sure it enters your nail. You know, this will clean your nail and also remove unnecessary bacteria from your nail for you. Okay, that's what you do. And you can use your finger to rub it in. Keep it on. You know, since what you are putting on is both edible, so you can keep it on. Just keep it on, let it stay there. Look at how my nail is already shining brightly. See? So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on for a while. Okay, so that's how you do. Yes, this is what you do to maintain a bright and clean nail throughout this coronavirus period. Okay, so there's nothing like nail polish. You don't need one right now. Keep your nail clean. After you have cleaned it, I've already cleaned my nail. I've brushed it. I'm not using brush, I'm just using my hand this time to rub it on. And look how pink and beautiful my nails are. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it down here because it's very useful. It's olive oil and lemon, so you can never go wrong with both. So I'm just gonna leave them on and put a little bit more all over me. So here we go. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and make sure that you share this video with everyone that can benefit from it. Okay, thank you. Maintain a clean nail. This you can actually repeat every day. It's very simple. Thank you.